Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Because of the high voltage and high current used by microwave ovens, be aware that repairing this appliance poses a substantial risk for injury or death if precautions are not taken. You should always unplug the microwave before you attempt any disassembly. To replace the blower assembly, you will need to uninstall the appliance. Before you do this, remove the glass turntable and support. Have an assistant support the microwave while you remove the mounting bolts from the upper cabinet. Carefully tilt the microwave down and pull the power cord through the hole in the cabinet. Now, lift the microwave off of the mounting plate. Set the appliance down on a sturdy surface covered by a towel or blanket. Unthread the screws to release the blower cover or air damper. Now unthread the mounting screws securing the blower assembly. Note the orientation of the blower assembly, then lift the assembly out and disconnect the wire connector. Install the new blower assembly by first connecting the wire connector. Then properly position the assembly and thread the two mounting screws. Reposition the blower cover or air damper and secure it with the screws. Now carefully reposition the microwave on the mounting plate by hooking the back edge of the appliance on the tabs. Insert the power cord through the hole in the upper cabinet. Lift the microwave up and secure the mounting bolts. Plug the power cord back in. Replace the turntable and support. And your microwave oven should be ready for use.